So what we have to find the distance between the points P and Q here, and so whenever to find the distance between the 2 points we will use a distance formula. So before that, let P equal to -7 -4 it is given here. So we will write it that is as a consider as a x1 and a y1. X1 coordinate and Y1 coordinate here. And what is the other one point? That is Q. What is the Q here? -2 and 8. So we will write it as a X2 and a Y2. So we got X1 Y1 and X2 Y2. Can we substitute in this formula? So by distance formula, please you will write it here again. Okay, you need to write it here only. I have written beforehand for the revisions here. So by distance formula, and you will write it this here. Then we will substitute distance of PQ equals to root of what, my dear? X2. X2 is what we have taken. Please see the right figure. X2 coordinate is what? -2 minus X1. Okay, this minus is the what? Formula minus, and X1 is what? -7. So I need to put here -2. See, X2 is what we have taken, that is -2 minus of -7 the square. Okay, and the plus here y2. Y2 is what? 8. Y1 is -4. So 8 minus of -4 the square. Okay, now what we will do? -2, I keep it as it is a -2. Minus plus 7 and the square is in between. Plus 8 minus plus 4 the square. Now we will do minus into plus minus. So 5 the square, because 7 is the bigger number. So that sign we have assigned, 5 square plus 8 plus 4 the 12 square. So we write it, I am writing it here. That is 5 square is what? 25 plus 12 square is 144. That means you get us a what? 169. 169 square root is what, my dear? That is 13. So we write it distance of PQ is what did you get? 13. Are you able to understand? So we will write it at the end, the distance between the points P and P, this coordinates, and Q is 13 units. Clear how to present the final answer here? You understood? So you always remember, you can assign x1 y1 this also, x2 y2, it's up to you. But when you have assigned, please put in a proper order. Then only your answer turns right here. I'll show one examples of practice set 5.1. That is a 6th question. Initially I have shown a very simplest sum. Now I have taken a different little fraction sum here. So again, to find the distance between which and which, dear? This level, W and X. So we want to find the distance between a W and X. Before that, what we need to assign? We need to assign let W, that is -7/2 and a 4 be what? That is x1 and a y1. Okay, then what is the one other point? That is x. X is 11/4. We will assign it as a x2 and a y2. Once we have assigned, now we can substitute in the distance formula. So what is our distance formula says? Can you all recollect? Yes? Yes, the distance of, what is the 2-point name? That we have to write it, distance of WX equals to root of x2 minus x1 the square plus y2 minus y1 the square. Now what is left? We have to substitute accordingly to the assigned one. So now here x2, what is our x2? You remember and keep it. This first 11 minus of -7/2. x2 minus x1. So 11 minus of -7/2 the square. Right? And plus this second coordinate 4 minus 4. Okay, 4 minus 4 the square here. So now we need to have a here LCM. First I'll make a single sign. 11, I'll put a root, minus plus 7/2 the square, and plus 4 minus 4 is what? 0 square. Now here this 0 square doesn't have value, so we can skip it out. Now 1. Here we have to make it a LCM same, so that we can add it into 2 into 2. So 11 2s are 22 plus 7 upon 2 the square. Okay. 22 plus 7, that is how much you will get? 29 upon 2 the square. Here we have to take a square root. That means 29 upon 2, we have a twice here. 29 upon 2 into 29 upon 2. When it is in square root, that means it simply comes 29 upon 2. This square root makes it single time here. So distance of WX is 29 upon 2. Unit. You can write it in units here. So you just understood how to do the fraction sums also. Yes. In this practice at 5.1, I have went to the second sub question. Determine whether the points are collinear or not. When we can say the points are collinear? Do you remember, dear? We have learnt in 9th standard. For example, there are 3 points. We will take it. I am not taking this point purposely. I will take another point, A, B, C. Okay, dear. So now, when can we say these points are collinear? That means when the distance of AC is, for example, this is 3, this is 4. So 3 plus 4, how much should come as AC? 7. That means distance of AC should be equal to distance of AB plus distance of BC. यानी ये पूरा distance of AC जो है, this plus this, ये आएगा तो हम ये पॉइंट्स को ए डैश बी डैश सी बोलकर ये पॉइंट्स आर ये पॉइंट्स ए बी सी आर कॉलिनियर बोल सकते हैं. So for this, how will we do this one? So what we will do, first we will find out a distance of AC. First we will find, second we will find out distance of AB and BC. So that means how many points do we have? We have a 3 points here, PQR. So we have a points 3 PQR. So one time we will find the distance PQ. Then other time we will find a distance QR and the other time we will find a distance PR. Once we get it, I repeat, ये जो 3 पॉइंट्स दिया है इनका एक एक ये पी क्यू का डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करेंगे, क्यू आर का डिस्टेंस एंड डिस्टेंस ऑफ पी आर. तो ये फाइंड आउट करने के बाद किसी का भी 2 आंसर्स ऐड करने से तीसरा वाला मिलना चाहिए. जैसे कि हमने क्या बोला, 3 + 4 = 7 मिला, वैसे कौन सा भी 2 आंसर्स ऐड करने से आपको तीसरा वाला आंसर मिलना चाहिए. लेट्स ट्राई इट आउट. सो फर्स्टली वी विल फाइंड इट a distance of PQ. So for this what we will do, first we will take a point P and a Q. What is our Q point? That is 1 and 2. We will take a R later on. Firstly we want to find distance PQ. So we will name it as a what? Let P is x1, y1 and P2, Q as a x2, y2. Then you know how to find the distance from using a distance formula. Distance of PQ equal to, tell me the formula, x2 minus x1 the square plus y2 minus y1 the square. So we will write it what here? Tell me, x2 minus x1, 1 minus of minus 2 the square. Okay, plus y2 minus y1, that is 2 minus 3 the square. And 1 minus minus plus 2 the square plus 2 minus 3 minus 1. Okay, minus 1 the square. 3 minus 2 1 आएगा, 3 बड़ा नंबर है इसके लिए माइनस साइन भी डाल दिया साथ साथ. तो what do we get here? 1 plus 2 3 square plus 1 into 1 1, but minus into minus plus. So see, I repeat here, this minus 1 into minus 1 is 1 only, minus minus plus. So I'll get a 1. So 3 square is how much? 9. 9 plus 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So I got distance of PQ was a root 10. Okay, I'll note down and kept it here. Now next one, distance QR find out करेंगे. Distance QR के लिए what we need, first let Q and R points चाहिए. देखो डियर, कभी भी कौन सा पॉइंट करना है उनके लिए सेपरेट ऐसे लिखेंगे. फिर Q का पॉइंट क्या है? 1 2 एंड R क्या है? 4 1. ओके, 4 1 एंड इक्वल टू फिर x1 y1 नाम देंगे, x2 y2. फिर डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे. वी विल यूज ए डिस्टेंस ऑफ क्यू आर बाय डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला. ओके, रूट ऑफ x2 minus x1 the square plus y2 minus y1 the square. Now, so we said x2 minus x1, that is 4 minus 1 the square plus y2 minus y1, 1 minus 2 the square. So here 4 minus 1, 3 square plus 1 minus 2, again same minus 1 square. So 3 square is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, root 10. So what you got distance QR as a root 10. Okay, now what is left now? We have done distance PQ, QR, and now left is distance PR. So we will write it distance PR. Okay, so for this what we will write? Let P and R. What is the P point? Minus 2, 3. And what is the R point? 4, 1. So I am writing it. So again we will name it x1, y1 and x2, y2. Written. Again the distance formula. Distance of PR equals to root of x2 minus x1 the square plus y2 minus y1 the square. Written. Next, x2 minus x1, which is our x2? 4 minus of minus 2 the square plus y2, 1 minus 3 the square. Now, 4 plus 2, minus 2, plus minus plus 2 square plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 the square. So, you got 4 plus 2 the 6 square plus 2 2's, okay. 2 square is what? 4. So you got 4. And what is the 6 square? That is 36. So 36 plus 4. How much you got? 40. Okay, is it? Now you can see root 40. Root 40, you can take it like this. 4 tens are 40. And the 4 has a square root. That means 2 root 10. So what is the distance of PR? That is 2 root 10. So I want a space, so I am doing it here. The same page I want to show it. Now, what all you got? Remember, see, distance PQ, how much we got? Root 10. Distance QR, we got a root 10. And distance PR, 2 root 10. See, here, when you add, there is nothing here. We will consider as a 1. Nothing there, no? 1. Here also nothing there, 1. 1 plus 1, how much? It's 2 root 10. यानी कि डिस्टेंस PQ और डिस्टेंस QR को ऐड करेंगे तो हमें डिस्टेंस PR मिल जाएगा. आई रिपीट अगेन, इफ आई ऐड डिस्टेंस PQ प्लस डिस्टेंस QR is, if it is equal to, distance of so distance of PQ plus distance of QR is distance of PR or what? I will check. See, this distance PQ I got as a root 10, so I am writing root 10. Distance QR I got a root 10, so I am writing root 10. And distance PR, how much I got? 2 root 10. So, see my dear, we have learnt in last year in 9th standard, when such comes, it is like a 1x plus 1x is 2x. Root 10 को x समझ लो. 1x plus 1x is 2x. Similarly, 1 root 10 plus 1 root 10 is 2 root 10. So that means it is satisfying the condition. Here you can see root 10 plus root 10 is 2 root 10. So that is satisfying the condition. So this means we can say that the points P, Q are collinear. जब ये ऐसे लाइन में 2 को ऐड करके ये पूरा मिल जाता है तो उसको पॉइंट्स आर कॉलिनियर. वैसे ही हमें 2 पॉइंट को ऐड किया तो तीसरा पॉइंट मिल गया है. सो वी कैन से देयरफॉर द पॉइंट विच दैट इज पॉइंट्स P, Q and R are collinear points. That's it. When it is not satisfying, for example, we will take another example. If it has come 7 and this has come 8 and this is given a 14. 7 plus 8 is not 14. So that time we will put a cross like this. जब ये दोनों satisfy नहीं होगा तभी हम इसको cross करके बोलेंगे this is not a collinear. This is but equal. So therefore it is a collinear points.